Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing heart shape ring origami model. Let me show it to you how it looks. It's over here, my desk, and this is the heart shape ring model. You can adjust the size of the ring as per your finger, and you can stick it, glue it, or fit it like this. This is very simple and easy to make model, so let's get started. So guys, for this heart ring model we'll need a square piece of paper. The size of this paper is 10 cross 10 centimeters. So let's begin. So first, fold it along the horizontal axis. Open it back, fold it along vertical axis. You get a plus sign like this. Now you fold it halfway like this. This is how it looks. Again, we fold it here like this. Then we fold it like this till the edge. So these are the 4 creases you get. Now you fold again like this, the half portion, and again you go on rolling it. So in all you get 8 creases. Fold it properly, cut to cut. As you can see, because of the thickness, it might go off. So I'll say you fold it like this, and then you fold it from here. From here, if you fold it, even like this, you get the creases. So 8 creases in all you get. Then you can make these creases properly. Oops. Okay. Now we fold one crease like this. Then we turn the page and we fold it like this. So this one crease is folded on this side, and then we turn the page. Now we form a triangle over here. Like this. Now again we turn the page. From here we'll fold 2 creases. So you can see it will be something till here, till here, this point. Turn it back. Now you have this flap. You open it and fold it perpendicular like this. Similarly do it on this side. Open this flap and fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now you have this fold, right? This portion, this slanting portion, you have to fold it half like this. Only the slanting portion till half like this, and then this portion we fold it inwards. This is how it looks. Similarly, we do it on this side. This entire thing, we fold it half like this. And then we fold this portion inwards. This is how it looks. As you can see, a heart is already formed here. Now all you need to do is roll these properly. Like this. Try to have these properly rolled. Let me do it again. At least level it properly, otherwise it doesn't look good. Anyway, now we have this small portion, the tip. We fold it slightly like this, and then you open it. This is the difficult part actually, because this is very small. I hope you got it, how to do this. Let me, this is the small portion, you need to fold it like this, and then you fold this portion inwards. So you need to open this, fold it inwards. Fold it properly to get this heart shape, properly. Let me do it and I'll be back. Right, as you can see, I folded this inwards properly, and then we need to roll these two, and we can adjust it like this. This goes to my finger. Here you can fit it one in another like these, or you can stick it as per your finger size and then you can use it. So this is the heart ring model. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.